Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to hide container widget column for specific browser in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our column. So we are going to hide on specific browser. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write dynamic visibility for Elementor. So this is plugin dynamic visibility for Elementor we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation go to page and refresh the page, and after that now you see column or container. So click on it, edit container, and then you see more option layout style advanced. So this is a new option visibility. So click on it and then you see dynamic visibility. Enable this option on. So we are going to hide specific column container widget on web browser. Now you see always hide this element, disable this option, and then you see display mode. Now you see show. So click on hide and then you see trigger. Now click on it. Now you see option device and browser. So click on it. Device and browser. So click on it. Now expand and then you see Google Chrome. Now click on it, you see all browser we have, so you can select browser according to requirement. So we are going to hide container on Google Chrome. Now select, now click on it and then click on update again. Now update done. So we hide this column on Google Chrome browser. Now go to page and refresh the page. Now you see specific container hide on specific browser. Now copy this link, open in another browser. Now paste, press enter. Now scroll down. Again you see this section visible on another browser but hide on Google Chrome. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.